Welcome. In this walkthrough, we're going to build a simple OR gate using Xilinx ISE. Whether you're new to digital logic design or just brushing up on your FPGA skills, this is the perfect place to begin. Let's dive in. First, open Xilinx ISE. If any project is already open, close it, start clean. Now, create a new project. Enter the project name and make sure to select HDL. That's Hardware Description Language. In New Source, select VHDL module and give your file a name. Since we're building an OR gate, we'll add two inputs, A and B, and one output, C. This brings us to the main editor window. Here, you'll write your logic description just below the begin statement. Once you're done coding, open the Processes tab, expand Implement Design, and click Synthesize. Now, go to View RTL Schematic. You'll see your OR gate visualized here, just like you designed it. Great, the gate is ready. Let's move on to simulation. Click on the project name, then go to Add New Source and select Test Bench Waveform. Give it a name. Select the FPGA part number when prompted. Now, define your input waveforms. Choose different input combinations and save your setup using Ctrl+S. In the Sources tab, you'll now see your test bench waveform. Select it, then switch to Behavioral Simulation mode. Double-click Simulate Behavioral Model. And there you go. The output is right in front of you. That's it. A clean, simple start to working with Xilinx ISE and digital design. Thanks for watching.